how to add pro controls to photo mode such as white balance and exposure on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, in here, tap on the control button. Then tap on settings. Now in camera settings, we then scroll down and tap on camera assistant. Next, we then scroll down and in photos section, tap on advanced photo mode controls. From here, you can tap on white balance control toggle to turn it on or switch it off. As well as the exposure value control, you can turn it on. Now, if you go back to your camera preview window, at the top here, you should now be able to control the white balance. In the tint, you can also control your other settings as well. Here, if I tap on it, and then you can change it. So that's it. That's how you can add in those pro controls by going to camera assistant and in advanced photo mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.